Okay, this is just some stuff, with R2D2 that, like I say, I talked about how he's got the funny, look up here. Now he's got two eyeballs here. But what had happened as well that I didn't mention, was if you look down here, he gained, pistons here on his leg. All right, now, not only that, did he gained wheel wells. Wheel wells, like, you're going to put bigger tires and you want to bigger wheel wells on an old car from the 60s or especially the 70s. And it happened on his feet here too. Okay? Now, also what had happened is this was going up in blue here. It was all one blue with the piston a while back. What's funny is this is, electronic or whatnot, but the way this thing is put together, if you look on the movie, this piston now that used to never be there is over here, and there was a piston here, but that's changed to two dots. But on the movie, this is over here and these two dots are over here, but this used to be blue all the way up in here, and it was flat. So what happens on the movie is you get these, you realize R2's legs are not flat. They got this jetted out proportion here that goes in and down. Even on that one. You see that? And oh Lord. What happens on all these toys. So it's not blue all the way up in there. It's stopped and you look at it sideways and it jets out. These are little things. Just little things, but you can see the wheel wells. This one got chewed up by I don't know, one of my dogs. It's buried in the yard or something anymore, because we lost them. But you can see just how this fucking place somehow manages to make sense of all this shit that we're like, fuck this shit, we don't comply here, basically. And this one doesn't have the other thing on the top. Even this one here, which is a bit more not exact at all, but a bit more in different ways. Like I remember R2, but even this one has a third one here, a third thing that this one doesn't have. And this one here has a battery, would make noise if the batteries would work. But you still got the little flaps, the little wheel wells on this sucker. And the freaking things, the pistons underneath him. And this one's got the two eyeballs. And this one's got the two eyeballs there. I mean, what the fuck's going on? It's not what the fuck's going on. It's just observances. So that's just a little bit more on last video I made. Love y'all.